And now let me address the topic of transcripts. Transcripts used to be, we looked at them with a lot of concern and wondering, how am I ever going to be able to do a transcript? I like to tell parents, pull up your own high school, college transcripts. There's a generic looking formula to transcripts. You can look at your own. There are a large number of books on the market, again, dedicated to homeschooling high school, and almost all of those books cover the topic of transcripts, grading, and all of those topics having to do with record keeping. So any of the high school books on the market today, they will cover the topic very thoroughly on creating transcripts. Today there are websites and companies dedicated to helping homeschool parents create transcripts. So you're not alone. There's a lot of help out there, and it's not as hard as what you might think it would be for your homeschooler.